Firebase Studio, a full-stack AI workspace. This is a great alternative for Bolt.new and Lovable, and you can get started for completely free. You can use latest Gemini model to power this. You can also create web application and mobile phone applications. You can develop the application faster and deploy it directly from there. You can also integrate this with many other Google products as well. You can get started completely for free and you can use all these features. This is previously called Project IDX from Google. We are going to test this and going to try to build the application from scratch, and let's see how it's going to work. Let's get started. So once after you sign in, you will be presented with a screen like this, and you have multiple options. You can even import your repo. You can program in any languages, and also it supports multiple frameworks, and this is really nice. Create mobile application using Flutter, React Native, and much more. So for now, I'm going to create a basic enterprise resource planning for a small business with a dashboard showing revenue, expenses, and profit, plus a calendar for appointments. Prototype with AI. So I'm going to click that. So based on my query, it's preparing a plan. And I really like this interface. As you can see here, it's a blueprint with all these features: financial dashboard, appointment calendar, transaction input, appointment management, smart categorization. Here's a style guide with these colors, layout, animation, everything's brilliant. I can request for further modification, but for now, I'm going to say prototype this application. Okay, let's prototype this application. So here you can see on the left hand side, it's automatically creating me all those files. I really love the speed of these file creation. As you can see here, this is the normal speed which I'm showing here. It's not fast forwarded. So you can see multiple files get created with my initial prompt. And I'm super impressed by its performance. This could be the end of Cursor or Lovable if this performs really well. It's automatically checking for errors and fixing those files. You can see all the files got created. And here is the ERP dashboard with revenue, expense, net profit, appointments. It's an interacting calendar, as you can see here. A transaction. I can add the transaction and say as revenue and add transaction. So adding a number, and then I can see some error here. So I can just copy the error message and paste it here. But before that, I can even add my API key. I can say auto generate, and it automatically generated me the API key and updated that. Here I'm making those or informing those errors. Meanwhile, we can preview this window. You can again see the file changes. It's super fast. Now here's the preview. Also, I can use this icon. I can choose whatever I want to choose. Let's say total revenue, dashboard card. Give this card some color. So that is the task which I'm giving, and accordingly it's taking the request here and it's modifying those changes. And I really like these colors, various colors. And now I want to point to this navigation sidebar menu. Make the sidebar menu work with information on each. Now again, it's taking the request and making those modifications. Finally, let me try that. It goes to transaction page, appointments. So in the transaction page, this is empty. I can ask you to add more feature as well. But for now, I'm really impressed with this layout in regards to how much quickly it can prepare. And here is an option to add appointment. I can add a date, time, and description. So here I've got other options, share preview link. So you can even scan and preview on your phone. So clicking on this one will take you to the preview mode. So now I'm going to switch to code. So this is the code format, just like a VS Code. If you're not a developer, you don't need to worry about all of this thing. Just go as a chatbot and then build all those required things. Even you can ask things to perform here. Explain me the code. I'm just asking that question to Gemini chatbot. It's going through the code and giving me information. So based on my question, it's giving me answer, as you can see here. This is really nice. Finally, going back to the other interface by clicking the icon at the top. And then now I want to publish the application. So clicking the publish. So Firebase app hosting, clicking next. So only for this, you might need to pay for it. If you're not publishing it, you can do this for free. So I'm going to start that here. So I'm really impressed with this. This is going to supercharge your workflow, building powerful application, and all the Gemini features built in. So all the API key generated automatically. You can create chatbots, AI powered application, and publish it right from the browser. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Firebase Studio, I also created another video some time ago regarding the same application that was called Google IDX previously, which I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.